Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tip Time Thursday. Are you anything like me and you don't want to spend that much time cleaning? You just like to relax like I do, read a book, watch a good documentary on Netflix, one of my favorite things to do. So in my life, I've discovered 3 simple steps that I can do every day that really cut down on my cleaning time. And I call it the SSS Principle. Not to be mistaken with SOS, but it's the SSS Principle. And I do these 3 simple steps every day, and you might have heard me talk about them before, but I just find them so helpful and so productive that I'm going to talk about them again. And so step number 1 in the SSS Principle is swirl. So every day when I leave for work, the last thing I do is use the restroom. And when I'm done, I just take my toilet brush and I put a little tiny bit of toilet cleanser in the bowl and I swirl, swirl, swirl for like 30 seconds. And then I'm out the door, off to work, and the toilet just sits there all day with the cleanser in it, and it keeps the toilet bowl really clean. And I do that every day before I leave for work. So I don't have to take any extra time on the weekends to clean the toilet because it's already clean. The second step in the SSS Principle is to swipe. So every day when I'm done using the sink, done putting my makeup on, done brushing my teeth, done washing my face, I swipe out the sink, and that keeps the sink clean all week long. I don't have to spend any time on the weekends cleaning the sink or the counter because every day when I'm done using it, I swipe it off with a washcloth, and at the end of the week, I take the washcloth, throw it in the dirty clothes. Saves me a lot of time. The third step is to squeegee. So every day after I'm done with the shower, I just take a squeegee and squeegee off the walls of the shower. It takes about 30 seconds at the most, and it keeps the scum from forming, because what happens is it's warm after you take a shower and it comes right off, but if you wait a couple days, it hardens up and it sticks on there, and it means you have to scrub it off. So for me, the SSS principles save me a lot of time cleaning, and that's what I'm all about. The more time I can spend just reading a book or relaxing or walking on the beach, the happier I am. So why don't you try the SSS Principle with me? I hope you enjoyed this Tip Time Thursday. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week on Tip Time Thursday.